Here's a quick video explaining how I wired the call director's terminal board here. So pretty much the 25 pair cable goes in and is connected into the key rows as it normally would be. Then up here we have the A lead or ground output from the hook switch or the speakerphone going to the terminal key strips. Right here in the middle is the output to the illuminated keypad, which has a diode coming from the ground and a resistor coming from positive input from 10 volt DC. So basically when the handset or the speakerphone is activated, it passes power through this diode to the keypad to make it get brighter. Right here is positive power coming from yellow, green, green, yellow, same as the Princess phone for illuminated keypad. And there's also a wire going to the light bulb in this key row here for when the speakerphone is activated, so it stays lit. Down here is just the orange wire from the keypad, which hasn't been used. Here is the violet wire from the keypad, which goes to P4 of the speakerphone. Down here is blank, this last corner one. This one here is tip, and that one is, so this one's tip, I believe. Either way, it's one of the audios. And then right here is a lead input from the line cards or K in the key system unit. So this wire is the input and it goes to A1 lead for the speakerphone as well as the common terminal for the hook switch. Then the output from the LK lead is located right here. So that's the output. The other output from the hook switch is here. Then right here is ring. So those are the tip and ring right there and there. And then right here is for a ringer, because one of the slate yellow leads goes here and then goes to the ringer. The other slate yellow lead is tied down in the network and then goes to the ringer.